In the harsh world of the wild, a sharp mind is a stronger weapon than sharp claws. On a hot, dry savanna where the air shook with heat, the great lion Kellen lay under a thin acacia tree. He had a deep wound on his side from a fight with a buffalo, and it had drained his strength. Now he was a king trapped in a weak body. Beside him sat Fenris, a clever and loyal jackal. Both of them were starving and thirsty. For days, they had watched the animal herds from far away, too weak to hunt. One day, Fenris noticed a lone donkey named Dusty eating dry grass nearby. Dusty had no idea that danger was so close. A quick and clever plan formed in Fenris's mind. He walked up to Dusty, acting very important. He bowed and told the donkey that the great King Kellen had heard about Dusty's wisdom and wanted to make him his royal advisor. Dusty, who wasn't very smart, felt proud. The idea of such an important job made him excited. He happily followed Fenris toward the acacia tree. When they arrived, Kellen tried to attack Dusty, using the last of his strength. But he was too weak. His jump was slow and he missed. Dusty panicked and ran away, screaming in fear. Kellen roared in frustration. But Fenris stayed calm. He told the lion that he would bring Dusty back. He followed the donkey to a bush where Dusty was still shaking with fear. Fenris acted offended, scolded Dusty, and said the lion wasn't attacking him at all. The old lion was simply too happy to meet such a great and wise donkey, and had fallen over while trying to greet him. The story made no sense, but Dusty wanted to believe it. Then Fenris added one final trick. He told Dusty that the lion was so impressed, he wanted to give him a hug from his beautiful daughter, a lion princess. Dusty's pride blinded him. The idea of being hugged by royalty was too powerful. Decided the lion's earlier attack must have been an accident. With his head held high, he walked back toward the tree, ready for his royal hug. This time Kellen did not fail. He attacked quickly and killed him. After the kill, Kellen was extremely thirsty. He told Fenris to guard the body while he went to the water hole to drink. As soon as Kellen left, Fenris's hunger took over. He knew the brain was the tastiest and most nutritious part. So he broke the donkey's skull and ate the brain. When Kellen came back, ready to eat, he noticed the empty skull right away. Fenris, the lion, growled, "Where is the brain?" Fenris didn't panic. He looked straight at the lion and answered calmly, "My king, if that donkey had even a little bit of a brain, do you really think he would have come back a second time?" Kellen looked at the donkey's body, then at Fenris. The logic was clear. The lion slowly nodded and began to eat, believing the donkey truly had no brain at all. And so in the wild, it was not the strongest who won it, it was the one with the sharpest mind. The deadliest trap is not the one your enemies set, but the one your own foolish pride leads you into.